Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Monkey app for free. First, I open the Monkey app and sign into my account. After that, I allow camera access and microphone access. Then I tap on bit and you will see the main interface. Next, go to the preferences and you will find the pre-match option. Tap watch and watch the ad. After the ad finishes, you will receive 1 free minute to use the filter. Now select girls only and start matching. You will be connected only with girls for the 1 minute. When the time expires, you can simply watch another ad to get another free minute. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.